Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to do another unboxing here. This is family pack number 4 by Big Fireworks, and this was bought at Party Fair in Ramsey, New Jersey, and they got it, and you're not going to focus again, at Bada Boom Fireworks in Blakesley, PA. I believe this was somewhere around $40–45. It has been some time since I had this assortment. So let's get into it in no particular order. We are going to start with the strobe lights by Big Fireworks, 6 pieces. And this is the first pack of snappers I'm finding here. This is the large by Big. Pretty sure there is more here. Oh, we got some stuff taped up. Yep. Here is 2 more. These are the small ones. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down for a second, guys, and try my best to untape this. Obviously, I'm going to rip a little bit. I hate it when they do this. I'm going to keep the tape on this one. Alright. We got 2 Magnum poppers here, both by Mega Banger. And I see 1 package of sparklers in this one. This is the bamboo stick, number 8 gold. Maybe there is another one here, maybe not. Got a iconic generic fireworks here, cone. Alright, where to go next? Friendship Fountain by Big. Golden flower, small, by Big. This is Butterflies and Silver Flower by Big. And this is the Jade Flower by Big. This is the bigger size. Alright, okay, what do we have here? Mega Banger, Dramatic Fantasy. Alright. The 3-pack of your Junior Cuckoo Fountains by Mega Banger. Friendship Fountain by Big. The large golden flower by Big. I only say large, I know it doesn't say it on there, but you do get 2 of them. And one is a small and one is a bigger one, so I just call one small, one big, and that's how I name them on my videos. Right, so this is a Mega Banger Golden Silver Flower fountain. Probably a 9-inch fountain. Here we have a, what's this one called? Champagne Party Popper by Big. Still not focusing. Alright, I don't see another thing of sparklers here. Alright, so now with these 4, I had done these already from another pack. I had called them by Big Fireworks, but I believe they are generic. So this is the Love Fountain, Luck, Fire, which I did this one not that long ago, I believe, for Halloween. And this is Snow, which will be being used during Christmas. So that is family pack number 4 by Big Fireworks, originally from Bada Boom. And thanks for watching.